Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open the bonnet of a Toyota Yaris. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside your vehicle. This lever is typically found on the driver's side, often positioned near the lower left side of the dashboard or along the door sill. It might have a small icon resembling a car with its bonnet open. Once you've found it, pull the lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the bonnet partially unlatches. After pulling the interior release lever, proceed to the front of your Toyota Yaris. The bonnet will now be slightly ajar, lifted by about 1 or 2 centimeters. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, feeling along the underside of the bonnet's leading edge. You are looking for a secondary safety latch, which is typically a small lever or tab. This latch is usually located near the center of the bonnet's opening. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to either push it to the side or pull it upwards, depending on your specific Yaris model. This action will fully release the bonnet. Now, carefully lift the bonnet all the way up. It should open smoothly. Next, find the support rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay. Insert the end of this rod into the designated hole to securely hold the bonnet open. To close the bonnet, first remove the support rod from its holding slot and secure it back into its clip. Then, gently lower the bonnet, guiding it down until it is about 30 centimeters or 12 inches from the closed position. Do not drop it from a great height. Finally, apply firm, even pressure with both hands to the center of the bonnet, pushing it down until you hear a distinct click, indicating it has securely latched. Double-check that it is fully closed before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.